Second graders, this is your cumulative test over topics 1 through 12. Cumulative means everything up until this point. The first thing I need you to do is put your name at the top. Make sure your name's on this and let's begin. I will have a star there to help you tell where you are in the test. If at any time you need to pause, go ahead and do that. If at any time you need to rewind, you may do that. Take your time, do your best. Make sure you have all the answers filled in. You can also show your work. All right, number 1. Which number is between 52 and 54? 52 blank 54. Is it A, 51, B, 53, C, 55, D, 56? Number 2. Joe picked 8 apples. He picked 12 peaches. Joe ate 2 peaches. How many peaches are left? Let me read that one more time. Joe picked 8 apples. He picked 12 peaches. Joe ate 2 peaches. How many peaches are left? Don't let them trick you. A, 6, B, 8, C, 10, D, 12. Make sure you write your number sentence right here. Number 3. 9 plus 9 equals blank. Notice it is plus. Plus, plus, plus. What does 9 plus 9 equal? A, 18, B, 16, C, 14, D, 12. Number 4. 19 plus 30 equals blank. Plus, plus, plus. If you need to write it, again, write it right here on your paper. 19 plus 30 equals. 19 plus 30 equals A, 39, B, 49, C, 51, D, 93. Number 5. Jenny paid 95 cents for 2 pens. Which 2 pens did she buy? You're going to have to use this graph right here to figure out which 2 pens, when you put them together, totals 95 cents. Is it A, fox and turtle? B, turtle and frog? C, frog and giraffe? D, giraffe and fox? Here are your pen prices. Fox is 32 cents. Turtle equals 41 cents. Frog, 54 cents. Giraffe, 69 cents. Show your work over here. You might have to try more than one. Okay. After 4, you should be on number 5. Turn your page and flip it. Okay, you should be on number 6. Which number sentence matches the model? The model has the top number, the whole 13, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 cubes. Find the missing part. I'm gonna Is it A, the sentence, would it be 6 minus 0 equals 6? B, 12 minus 6 equals 12? C, 13 minus 6 equals 7? Or D, 6 plus 3 equals 9? Number 7. It says find the total amount. I went ahead and found the coins, the actual coins, so you could see them, what they look like. Okay, we have these 3 coins right here that are the same, these 2 that are the same, and then this one that is not the same. If you need to draw your dots, go ahead. Is it A, 22 cents as the total? B, 37 cents? C, 33 cents? D, 42 cents? Number 8. Ben made a spinner with 8 equal parts. He shaded 4 of the parts. Which picture shows the spinner Ben made? So 8 equal parts with 4 shaded in. A, B, C, D. Number 9. Sarah traced this shape. Which shape is congruent to it? Which one is congruent to this shape right here? A, B, C, or D? Go to the next page. You just need to flip it to be on number 10. Number 10. Which shape am I? Listen carefully. I have more than 4 sides. I have fewer than 6 sides. All my sides are the same length. So more than 4, but fewer than 6. All the sides are the same length. So what comes between 4 and 6? Count the sides, and that will be your answer. Number 11. Which shape has a line of symmetry? A, B, C, D. If you need to draw your line down the middle, you can do that. Or this way. Number 12. 56 cents plus 29 cents. Oh, sorry. What is that answer? Oh, here comes the vacuum. Okay, second grade. Sorry. Okay. 56 cents plus, I circled the plus, 29 cents equals. If you need to rewrite it over on the side like I did, go ahead. Here are your choices. Don't forget to regroup. Is it A, 33 cents? B, 75 cents? Hey, grabbing the wrong thing. C, 83 cents? Or D, 85 cents? Number 13. A fruit stand has 64 bananas. It sells 31 bananas. How many bananas are left? You need to write the problem out on the side. 64 minus 31, and tell me the answer. Is that answer less than 20 bananas? More than 20 bananas? Less than 30 bananas? More than 30 bananas? Number 14, Mrs. Kahn makes 10 cherry pies. Then she makes 5 apple pies. Her son wants to know how many pies there are in all. What should he use to solve the problem? So you don't need to solve it, you just tell me what is the best method for solving it. A, mental math, B, paper and pencil, C, calculator, or D, cubes. All right, you are on your final page. Go ahead and flip to the back. You should be on number 15. Number 15, Sandra has 9 cupcakes. She buys a pack of 12 cupcakes. How many cupcakes does she have now? So she has 9 and then she gets 12 more. How many does she have now in all? Is it, if you need to write your sentence on the side, go ahead. A, 20 cupcakes. B, 21 cupcakes. C, 22 cupcakes. D, 23 cupcakes. Number 16, subtract. Oh, look, they finally gave us some where to work. So, remember, the 3 B's, bigger on the bottom, you must, Is it A, 22, B, 12, C, 18, D, 28? Number 17, what fraction of the stars are shaded? So how many are shaded out of how many in all? A, 1/3, B, 3/6, D, or C, I'm sorry, that was wrong, C, 6/13, or D, 13/6. Number 18, subtract again. They gave you a place to work that out. Is it A, 23, B, 27, C, 33, or D, 37? Remember, use this space to work your problem out to find the answer and then solve. If you need to pause, go ahead. And number 19, use counters to solve the problem. Ooh, Karen sees 16 butterflies. 1/4 of the butterflies are yellow. How many butterflies are yellow? Remember this? This is 1/4 of 16 equals. Here's my hint to you, to remind you. The bottom number, and then 16, and then the 1. That'll give you your answer. When you're done, turn this into the turn-in basket, and then you can get on Prodigy. Make sure your name's on it.